All right, enabling DevOps is pretty simple. You're just gonna come to the DevOps Center in Setup, and we're just gonna toggle that, and then we're gonna click the Install package. Right, you can choose for what you want. I'm just doing just for admins because I have one user on this and all of me, but you can define each group or each role that is allowed to use a DevOps. You can determine for your organization whichever one you want. For me, it's just that one, and we're just going to say yeah, and it's going to install the package, and then from there we'll be able to configure the assets around it. So we're going to wait. All right, so get this message while it's still installing, and we can just say done. We can check to make sure it's installed by going to install packages, and we can see right now it hasn't completed installing yet, so we're going to wait until it shows up here, and then we'll know that it's done. So we wait. Okay, and we waited. This is probably about 5 minutes, and it's now installed. We can see it existing there. So now we need to create the app that connects to it. So we're going to go to App Manager, and we're going to create a new connected app, and we're going to call that app DevOps. It's going to automatically fill in. We're going to fill in the Salesforce email, the icon, the description. For the start URL, we're going to put in that, and we're going to put in save. Now we're going to click manage, and we're going to click manage permission sets, and from here we're going to check name credentials, and then we're going to save. Okay, now from here we'll do permission sets. And we will find the DevOps Center. Oh, click it. And then manage assignments. And I need to add me or whoever you want to it. Okay, that's done. All right, so now we will do it to the other ones. We've got there's 2 more DevOps. So we're going to go into here, manage, add me. Release manager. And obviously you can assign them to different people with different roles. And then there's 2 more. And they're all the way at the end. There's this DevOps initialize environments. And then there's the last one. So this gives me access to all the things I need to configure and use for a demo environment. Okay. All right, so now there is a setting we got to make sure is off. It's under session settings, and it's at the very top. And it's this checkbox right here to lock. We want to make sure this is deselected. It's For this demo environment, it was already unselected, but for your production, it might already be selected to do load balancing. So we want to make sure this is unchecked on this environment. And that's the end of just the initial setup to make it go, right? So now if you click on the launcher, now you can type DevOps and there'll be a DevOps center there that we can use. Now the next thing will be to configure. I'm going to configure GitHub, but I'm going to make that into a different video for getting GitHub connected. And then there'll be a video for actually using it. All right.